Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to upgrade your Loom plan. Here are the steps to upgrade your Loom plan using the Loom desktop app. So the first thing is to do is to launch the Loom desktop app or just head over to the Loom website. Okay, so if you are not already signed in, just log into your Loom account using your credentials. And once you're here, let's say this is a desktop app, click on Home, and Home is going to take you to your Loom dashboard. Now, once you're in here, the next thing to do is to click on your profile icon, which is usually at the top right corner of the screen. And once you click on that, just go ahead and click on View or Edit Profile and select Settings. But one of the easiest way is to head over here to the left corner of the screen and click on Settings. Then select Personal. And that takes you here. So for you to get your billing information, which is where we need to go to upgrade our account, the next thing for you to do is to, okay, so we literally cannot find it in here. So go back to your profile icon, which is at the top right corner, and select billing from the drop down menu. Now that takes you here to the general settings, plan and billing in workspace settings. So now we have Loom business trial, which is once it says 8 days left in trial. And after this, I'll be required to select a plan. Then the next thing for you to do is to, from these options of different Loom plans, including your current plan, go ahead and review the features and pricing of each plan to decide which one suits your need. So let's say you want to do business or the business and you have all of these inside here, like everything in Starter Plus, $15 per seat, and you have business plus AI, $20 per seat, and you can now upgrade, or you have enterprise, and you can just click on Let's Talk to continue with that. So once you've chosen the desired plan, click on the upgrade button. Upgrade, buy now, Let's Talk, anyone that is just pretty much here. And let's say I want to click on upgrade. The next thing to do is to follow any prompts or instructions to confirm your selection. So either annually, monthly, choose your creators, and once you're done, check the order summary in here and select continue to payment details. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to the next window where you can now add your payment details. So add your card number, expiry date, security code, and fill out this form. And once you're done filling out this form, go ahead and click on upgrade subscription, and you see that your subscription will be upgraded. Then how do you check your billing cycle? Return to the billing section in your account settings to verify your new billing cycle and plan the status, and to, of course, plan the status. Return to the billing section here, account settings to verify your billing cycle and plan status. So I'm going all the way back to Loom. So I'm clicking on the Loom favicon in there, and that takes me to the home page. So remember from the left navigation panel, when we clicked on settings, we clicked on personal. So no, instead of personal, click on workspace. And that's going to take you to the workspace settings where you will now enter plan and billing. To head over to the billing section instead of clicking on your profile icon here to select billing. So any of those two ways can work. Now go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. So by following the steps, you can easily upgrade your Loom plan and take advantage of additional features for your video recording needs. Go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.